turn the locomotive on, guys.
You're my railway I never seen in a long time. We're gonna do some rail fanning next weekend. We're probably gonna reverse this thing back to the yard. Let's get this thing moving.
Okay.
Alright. That is a
Pacific 2259 locomotive GP20C-Eco.
Why are you reading that?
Well, should we ask them if we can have a ride? I don't even know. No,
Yeah.
we can't.
it would be cool if we did it.
Train! It's just a little Canadian Pacific locomotive, but... Okay, that is loud. Stop talking to my video, Mom. Yeah. Headset on. And record. Guys, look at this locomotive here.
That is a beautiful locomotive.
Yep. Canadian Pacific. 2259 GP20C-Eco. Does that mean it's an eco locomotive? Probably.
Yeah, it's one of their newer ones.
It looks new as well. That is so cool.
Trying to get it so you can better.
Just wait. Okay, wait. What's wrong? I'm telling them to honk. They don't see me though. We're backing up into the yard, guys. Welland Yard in Ontario.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh, there's some of the other locomotives, guys, down there. See?
That's a regular GP38.
That's an eco one.
Yeah, it's one of their newer ones.
I think those trains are coupling up, maybe. 7307.
7307. That's what I call it.
7307. Is that an eco one? No, that's not eco. Okay, guys.
That's a regular GP30.
Oh, I see another one in the back there.
Funny memes at Welland Yard in Welland, Ontario. We're heading down to Marineland Parkway, going to Chippewa. And I am with...
Hello.
Yeah, I am with LKC and Railfan. Oh, there's all the railway tracks.
Two track crossing.
For the CP Montrose Spur. Or
Oh, this is the Montrose Spur?
Yeah, this is the Montrose Spur.
Oh yeah, nice. Then it just splits into one track.
Yeah.
Keeps going.
Actually, it's it used to be a double track area. Actually, it is a double track area because
I think this is a train station right here. An old one.
hey. No, that's a hydro area. That's a hydro station.
Oh, if you look right here, there's the Greenland Parkway Railroad crossing.
Yeah, with the cantilevers.
I'm gonna pull the plug. She says I'm gonna save myself for another time.
Why does it say no train whistles at this crossing? There's no houses nearby. Oh wait.
And I don't want to start my work week with
Oh god damn it.
No meal
Yeah.
so I'm like, you know what, you go, have a good
Do you
time.
want to do
there.
another fire drill
gonna
maybe
be
if we get to my house?
Yep, sure. Yeah, this upcoming Railfan video is gonna be absolutely crazy.
Oh.
What? Maybe, I don't know if we...
They make the soup today.
I don't know.
Oh god.
Down this way soon, you'll see a level crossing.
White beans?
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the camera kind of like pointed this way. I'm gonna zoom it in a little. You know, it's technically going kind of fast.
Sounds nice.
It's the end of the Montrose Spur.
Isaac
The end of the Montrose Spur?
Yeah, this is over here is the end
Yeah,
of the
I'm
Montrose
almost
Spur.
there, Mom. I'm just coming around by the
Yeah.
whale prison. I go the whale.
Marineland, you mean?
Yeah, my Isaac's older brother called it that.
Isaac, my name is Landon.
Or Landon's older brother, sorry.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're coming by the whale prison.
No,
The
we
whale
just
prison,
passed
got it.
the whale prison.
Okay.
Oh, look, if you can see back there, there's probably like a track down there, I think.
Yeah, I could partially see it.
Yeah,
My camera has horrible focus, so I can barely see it. But there's an old granary down there.
Yep, that's a granary like the one on Town Line Road.
No, the one on Town Line Road is for oil.
Oh, it's in oil?
Yeah.
Hey there. We sent your call to our voice
Wait.
message system.
Okay, it's coming up.
Do you want me to turn?
No, you don't need to turn, Mom. We just want to get back to the not to the Montrose.
We're on our way to the place.
Hello?
Down this way.
Hi,
down
honey.
this,
I'm just pulling into
down this
what?
way.
Do you want something
See?
from Tim Hortons?
right there. Oh,
No,
it's
it's okay,
really
I'm-
bad. over
Yeah,
there.
I saw it. I don't think my camera saw it.
Oh, you're at Tim Hortons? You got the pup with
Yeah.
you?
The camera focus when I was doing it was horrible.
Deb, please. Or visa, sorry.
Oh, Isaac, don't use your visa. Okay, I'm coming
Thank
home.
you.
I'm coming home to swap out cars
Yeah.
because Donna needs to borrow my car, so I'm gonna go hop in Mark's car.
Doggo. Doggo, where'd the doggo?
I don't see Doggo.
Doggo.
Trump, even though they live in Canada. That's not from yesterday.
What? Ketchup? Is it open already?
No, there's
No,
no
it's-
ketchup. It's just random ketchup here.
I think it was from the A&W that we went to
Right there,
yesterday.
see, look at Trump.
Why Trump? I prefer Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Because Obunga.
The reason why I like Obama better than Trump is because Trump hates Mexico and he doesn't want any other country getting involved with the work of North America. And Biden wants to declare war on Russia because of the whole war on Ukraine thing.
But Russia is good.
Russia is good country, but I don't know why they want to invade Ukraine.
Are you trying to film somebody's address? Railfan.
Okay, I just hope that Mark's car is keys are here.
It is snowing. It's cool. Magic. Wind chime.
No.
Grab my water. My water.
Doggo.
Brookfield. Doggo. Doggo, where'd Doggo go?
Doggo in crate.
No, you put him in the.
Put your shoes back on.
Yeah.
Let's wait outside. Landon, you're strong, man.
My hands are cold.
Oh, it's not right. Come on. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. It won't go in the hole. Get in the hole. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Landon, do I have my headphones with me?
Yes.
Good. I need them. We all need our headphones, right?
Yeah.
Of course. Ear protection is always necessary. Do you have gloves inside the house?
I don't know. I think my mom's getting some.
I seriously want to try one of these things one day. Wouldn't you agree, Landon?
Sure.
Yay.
Seat warmer. You know what would be good for Conrail rail fanning?
Conrail. Yeah. Yes, but when we go for Norfolk Southern, it's white and black, boy.
Brother.
Yeah, Isaac with Doggo. We went for a walk. He stole Doggo
Oh,
on
no.
purpose.
Oh no.
Oh no! Doggo, Doggo, Doggo! Ah! The car's window got in the freaking way. Where Doggo? Ear protection for the car throttle.
Guys, I'm
A million miles on the curb. But you know what? It still works.
very,
Yeah, my
very
side,
conscious.
your side.
Mr. Jones doesn't.
there's a doggo.
Oh, he's
Doggo.
It's a train signal. It's a green train signal. That means there's a trip.
Insert Leslie RS5T train horn off in the distance. Wow, we could just proceed. Wow. Ah, great. Now we have to stop. Welcome to Timmy Hortons in Chippewa. Yeep. No addresses in postponed the video. Let me just feel the air. Perfect. I have a feeling that this video is gonna go viral.
Yeah. I don't know.
Just my ADHD and your ADHD and autism just being spewed out for the video.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Well, it's a good way to make video funny, right? Perfect. I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7.
sure you don't want anything to eat?
But
Want a donut or anything, Aries?
I want a sandwich with bacon and cheese. Just that's it, and a hash brown and 10 all your donut holes.